Hey guys, today's video I'll be showing you how to make a warming soup with some leftover turkey. So we're going to start by chopping up our vegetables. We have some carrots, celery, onions, and some green onions as well. And here I have what's left of my Christmas turkey. Now I'll just heat my pan on medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll add in my onions first, and we'll just saute this for about 2 minutes. Then I will add in my celery, carrots, and green onion. And I'll just saute all the vegetables for about another minute. Now I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of flour. And just make sure that the flour cooks really well. You're going to want to cook this for about 2 minutes. And this is what's going to help thicken the stock a bit. Now I'll just add in some garlic. And then I will be adding in the turkey. Now just cover the turkey with some hot water. Now this is a smoked turkey, so I decided not to add in any salt at this point, just to see how much salt I could draw out of the turkey into the stock. And then I will add in about 2 bouillon cubes. Now I'll bring the pot to a boil and then turn the heat down to low, and we will simmer this for about half an hour. Now once our broth is simmering, we can go ahead and cut up our potatoes. Now it's been half an hour and our stock is looking quite well. Now at this point we're going to taste the stock and then we'll just season to your liking. Now I'm going to add some black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some all-purpose seasoning. I'm also adding in some allspice, some dried thyme, parsley, and some red chili flakes. And then I'll add our potatoes in. Now I did taste the stock, and as I thought, It is pretty salty, so I'm not going to add any salt at this point. If you feel like your stock needs a bit of salt, you can go ahead and add that in. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil and let this simmer for about 15 minutes. Now at this point, I'm going to add in some dumplings. Now my kids absolutely love dumplings. They won't eat soup without it, so I have to add it in. This step is completely optional. And the dumplings are pretty easy to make. They're just made with flour, salt, and water. And once these are all added in, I will bring the pot back to a boil and I'll simmer this for another 15 minutes. Now this was all done in about 1 hour, and you've got yourself a nice bowl of leftover turkey soup.